Your ability to influence, persuade, and inspire, whether you're in a position of power or not, is critical for your career success and acceleration. In this program, you're going to learn what it is to be seen as a leader, to be seen as a person of influence, to influence others. This means, how do you have access and build relationships in a way that ensures that you have maximum exposure? How do you speak up and ask the right questions so that you're identified as a leader? In other words, how do you influence others and influence the trajectory of your career, whether you currently are in a position of authority or not? So please join me. I'm Nadia Vilcek, and I'm delighted to present these online programs, both maximizing your presentation skills and influencing with or without authority.